Today, I want to share a profound philosophy with you, one that can inspire anyone seeking growth and success.
Proverbs chapter 6 verses 6 to 11 says, "Go to the ant, you sluggard. Consider its ways and be wise. It has no commander, no overseer or ruler, yet it stores its provisions in summer and gathers its food at harvest. How long will you lie there, sluggard? When will you get up from your sleep? A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest, and poverty will come on you like a thief, and scarcity like an armed man." From the humble ant, we can draw 5 powerful lessons that can change our lives. 1. Ants need no commander. Ants don't wait for instructions, they act. They work faithfully, without needing external pressure or supervision. They rebuild their anthill if it's destroyed. In life, this teaches us to be proactive, self-driven, and industrious. Don't wait for someone to push you, take responsibility for your success. 2. Ants plan ahead. Ants are always preparing for the future. During summer, they gather food, knowing winter is coming. This reminds us to hustle now to secure tomorrow's success. Preparation today is the key to a brighter future. 3. Ants stay positive. Ants understand that winter is temporary, and they remain optimistic. They know they'll survive the tough times and emerge stronger. In our lives, we must remember that hardships don't last forever. Stay positive, knowing brighter days are ahead. 4. Ants never quit. If an ant faces an obstacle, it doesn't give up, it simply changes direction, whether it's up, down, or around. Ants keep moving forward until they find a way. Like the ant, we must embrace struggles and adapt to challenges. Flexibility and perseverance will always lead us to success. Remember, winners never quit. 5. Ants always give their best. Ants give their all in everything they do. They don't settle for mediocrity, and neither should we. Whatever you're working on now, give it your best effort. Excellence in the present will open doors to even greater opportunities. Thank you for watching. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful motivation.